All right, it's time to load these bad boys up on the trailer. Let me check my... Oh, man. My lights aren't working. I gotta go now. I don't have time to rewire all these things. Oh, my gosh. Wait a minute. I think I've got a good idea. Like a good sponsor, Ehaho was there. Hey! It's me, Ehaho. God bless you. I've got a problem. My trailer lights aren't working, and I've got to go somewhere right now. I think I've got just the thing you need. Whoa! Wireless trailer lights. You really think that'll help? I really think this will help. I've never even heard of something like that. Yeah, let's put them on right now. Let's put them on right now. Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. We are back with another awesome video with Ehaho. And today, guys, we're going to look at their brand new product, the wireless trailer lights. Everything's wireless these days, isn't it? Let's go and do an unboxing, and let's see what they're all about. All right, guys, so these are the new wireless trailer lights from our good friends at Ehaho. This is what the box looks like. Very excited to see a new product from them, and we get to be one of the first people to check it out and ruin it. Okay, so these come in a cool carrying case. Let's check this out, guys. Actually, it's good and solid. This is what you're going to get if you buy this. 8 functions, got reverse lamps and reflectors, rear position, stop, indication. It says they last about 2.5 hours. No, that's how long it takes. It takes 2.5 hours to charge them all the way, and then they last about 9 hours on. That's pretty good. Most of us probably aren't taking just monstrously long trips, and if we are, we can just charge these up. All right, you see we've got these all nice and neatly laid out, but you know we got to look at that user's manual. There may be something in here you need to see. I haven't played with these at all. I've never even really heard of these. I was talking to my son about it, and he said, hey, I've seen some videos about these, so let's check them out. So we have, gosh, I don't know if it's just in there. We've got these. I'll be honest with you, not sure what it's for yet. We've got this. Okay, so it's like a suction. We've got our light. Guess we charge it back here. USB-C, that's nice. See if there's any charge. Looks like there's a little bit of charge. That's really cool. A charging indicator. I may turn it off. Is that like a test? I don't know. We'll find out together. Take these off. Very nice. So it looks like we've got a big suction cup. Assuming we've got some options as far as mount. Oh, there we go. So we hold it down and we get some blinking action going on. That's cool. So it works. That's really bright too. Got the same thing on this one. How much charge we got here? Oh, this one's fully charged. Take this off and hold it down. There we go. Nice indeed. I love this carrying case. Let's see, we've got a little USB charger, so we can charge these boys up. And we've got our, I guess this is our wireless deal. And this is how you pair them. So that's cool. So we will just either stick this end on, or we'll stick this end on. Easy enough. And then I'm assuming they just kind of get going together. Maybe this is the magnet portion. So you probably have the option to, I guess, just drill these things in. If you want them more permanently, I guess you can wrap these around it so they don't go flying off or nobody steals them, I'm guessing. And then we've got these. I just put this sucker on there. They are magnetic. Oh gosh. I just grabbed that piece of metal. Oh no. I threw it on there and it sure enough was magnetic. How do I get it off now? Oh my goodness, this sucker's attached. Guys, the magnet's on here. Oh! Man, pry it off. The magnets on here aren't playing, folks. Hey, oh! Woo! That's a magnet. Hey, come even just halfway on. That is the strongest magnet I've ever played with. Man, come on. These boys ain't going nowhere. I've also got a charging cable here that has 2 USBs, so you can charge them both at the same time. That's pretty sweet. So they said it takes about 2.5 hours to charge them. It's a power quick charge as well. They didn't send us no ranky dank nothing. Alright. Okay. No more delay. Alright, so let's just see how easy this is. I've got an 8-pin here. See if I can do this with one hand. Alright, I've already got my flashers on. Oh man, look at this. Got one going already. I didn't look at the instructions on how to pair them. Maybe they're already paired. Just turned it on. Oh, there it goes. Check that out, guys. Heck, these things are bright. So, I'm assuming we'll just slap these bad boys on the back and see what we're working with. Alright, I think I got a good spot here. Oh, wow. That's very satisfying. Now for the next one. Alright, let's try this again. Look at that. We are cooking with grease wirelessly. We'll go turn each blinker on. I won't be able to probably see it, but you will. So we'll do that through the magic of editing. Guys, you can't tell me that wasn't awesome. It's crazy just what is available today. Wireless trailer lights wasn't on my cards, but I really have had a situation where I needed to go somewhere and my lights weren't working. And I just rode like that. I didn't have a choice. Could have got a ticket. But if I had something like this, it really would have helped get me out of trouble. And these things, let's see how hard they are to take off. I know they showed like tying these things down or something. Okay, when you grab the whole thing, I mean, they're on there. Of course, you would just tighten it, get it where you want. I don't think they're going to accidentally come off, but wouldn't hurt. They are on there. Wouldn't hurt to attach them right. I mean, I bet you could just slap them on there like that. Of course, you'd have to tighten your nut. I don't know why you would, but they're on there, folks. They are on there. Thanks so much, Ehaho. I know this one was a quicker video, but I wanted to get this out, show it off, show you guys. Links in the description to grab some of this. And thanks so much, Ehaho, for always sending us the coolest stuff. Guys, there's more from Ehaho. Already got it in. We're putting blinkers on the side-by-side, new light whips. Ehaho is just hooking us up. There's a lot more to come where this came from. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, Kapools. God bless.